As more places around the Bay Area remove mask mandates, some people may be fearful of catching COVID, especially, if they've avoided it for the last 2 years.
Crown 4's Amanda Harry spoke with an infectious disease expert about how people who have never caught COVID, as far as they know, should approach these changing guidelines.
Given the low level of virus circulating in the community, chances of you getting it is going to be much lower than even just 2 weeks ago.
That's one of the main reasons UCSF infectious disease specialist Dr. Peter Chin-Hong says people shouldn't be fearful of catching COVID. He says the chances of getting it are slim, despite less masking and more people returning to work in person. He added that he expects it to be even slimmer in the coming weeks, hitting a low in early April.
A very low level of virus in the community, which is about 10 to 20 or less per 100,000 per week.
Dr. Chin-Hong says if someone was to get COVID for the first time now, the medical field has advanced their knowledge of clinical care for COVID-19.
We have oral agents like Paxlovid. We have some monoclonal antibodies that still work.
He also says many people who think they haven't gotten COVID yet would have gotten it in the past and just didn't know about it.
We know from the CDC data that about twice as many people probably got exposed in the country in general to COVID than the official counts. So it means that a lot of people are having mild symptoms, so they didn't get tested or had no symptoms.
He says there's a group of people that should still be concerned about catching the virus. That includes unvaccinated people, people older than 65 who haven't been boosted, those who have a compromised immune system, and anyone who lives with people in those three categories.
If you're vaccinated and boosted, for most people, you're not going to get really ill.
Dr. Chin-Hong does emphasize people shouldn't try to get the coronavirus. He says to navigate the world responsibly and enjoy this unmasked time. Amanda Harry, Crown 4 News.
Businesses in downtown